So we're going to talk of a very small topic called polymerization for standard 10th. Okay, so to begin with that, we'll talk of macromolecules. So what are macromolecules? Large molecules. Like water is a small molecule, okay, of atoms. A large molecule, huge, of the mass of 10 raised to 12, utna bada, macromolecules. These molecules are both natural and man-made. Natural molecules like starch, cellulose, and man-made molecules like nylon, nylon 66, etc. They are artificial. They are made as competent to match the natural structures, which has of course more benefits, but they're man-made. So how do you form macromolecules, and what are these macromolecules? They are nothing but polymers. Poly, many, mers, molecules. Many molecules put together will form macromolecules, and polymers are formed by a process called as polymerization. What is polymerization? Under high pressure, high temperature, these molecules are brought together and they react to form a many molecule in one molecule. That's called as polymer through a process called as polymerization. Polymers are formed by the repetition of smaller units, and these smaller units are called as monomer. So many monomers come together to form polymers. So some polymer are formed by single monomer. मतलब उस पूरे पॉलीमर में ना एक ही मॉलिक्यूल रिपीट होता है, समझा ना? मतलब वो पॉलीमर है, भयंकर बड़ा मॉलिक्यूल है, लेकिन वो पूरे के अंदर एक ही मॉलिक्यूल है जो रिपीट हो रहा है. एंड कुछ कुछ पॉलीमर्स ऐसा है जिसमें दो या दो से अधिक, 2 or more than 2 monomers would be there. And if a polymer has only one monomer, if a polymer has only one molecule, it's called as homopolymer, and if it has 2 or more monomer, then it is called as copolymer, and that's the example of a homopolymer and a copolymer. So let's look at this. So let's assume that A is the monomer which is getting repeated in the polymer. Okay? So A, n times n number of A's will add together to form a huge chain. So यहाँ पर A के बीच में bonds नहीं है. The A's are adding up to form a bond, and this becomes unginat, huge, gigantic. So if you go to see this is an example of polymerization where one monomer is adding up to form a large compound. Look at this example, A plus B, 2 monomers. It can A plus B plus C also, 3 monomers, and this will add up to give you getting this? So a real life example, if it is ethene double bond, then ethene, 1 ethene, 2 ethene, 3 ethene, they will undergo polymerization, n number of them, to form polythene, So it's simple, right? Styrene will give you polystyrene. Polymer of styrene is polystyrene. Vinyl chloride will undergo polymerization to form polyvinyl chloride, and so on, each of them. So what will this undergo? You got it right? And this will undergo polymerization to form poly. That's right, you getting it. Clear, right? So if you have any doubt in polymerization, and if you're absent for the lecture, write down in the comment section if you understood, if you didn't understand, if you want some more examples, बताओ मुझे.